2019 Volkswagen Arteon is preparing for its U.S showcase discharge. The substitution for the swoopily styled CC vehicle, the more honed-looking Arteon is situated to go more upmarket, regardless of whether isn't coming towards the lavish statures where the Phaeton once dwelled. The Arteon was divulged for Europe a year back in Geneva, and the time has now sought the vehicle to make it westbound. The main motors accessible for the Arteon anyplace are 4 chambers, and the most intense emphasis of the 2.0 TSI is the sole alternative for American Arteons, offering 268 drive in American spec. An 8-speed programmed and front-wheel drive are standard on the Arteon, yet it can be requested with 4-motion all-wheel drive if required. The particular levels will be SE, Cell, and Cell Premium, and the highest point-of-the-line adaptations will highlight such choices as the digital cockpit group, all-encompassing sunroof, a back rub work on the driver's seat and Dynaudio premium sound. Full LED headlights and versatile damping are standard. Volkswagen North America CEO Henrik J. Woebken says this auto is the otherworldly successor to the CC, however it is bolder and speedier. Arteon has the style and execution of an extravagance Gran Turismo for about the cost of a completely stacked fair-size vehicle. No valuing data is accessible at the season of composing, however the cost for a base auto has been assessed at $37,000. Prior reports have implied of a range-topping, turbocharged VR6 Arteon with more than 400 strength, yet were it to make generation, it will probably stay distant for US clients.